Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we will show you 4 different things you may not know about your Tesla touchscreen. The first thing is the compass. It comes facing north, but to change that, all you have to do is press the north icon, change direction of your vehicle, and it changes with you, so you will always know which direction you're headed in. The second thing is to easily change between the miles you have left and the percentage you have left on your vehicle's charge. You simply press the icon and it switches between miles and percentage. Next, I'll show you how to change the way that the map looks. You click the world icon on the top right and it switches the navigation view. And finally, here is a quick tip on how to unlock and lock your doors from the touchscreen. All you have to do is press the lock icon. And that is 4 different things you may not know about your Tesla touchscreen. Thanks for watching.